Imagine this. You invest just $100 every month, and after a few years, your money has grown into something you never imagined. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. It's the power of compounding. Once you understand it, you'll realize it's the closest thing to a financial superpower you'll ever have. So what is compounding? It's when your money earns money, and then that new money earns even more money. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, it's small, but every year it grows bigger and gives you more fruit. The more fruit you have, the more seeds you can plant, and the faster your little garden grows. Let's take a simple example. You invest $1,000 in a stock or ETF that grows 10% a year. After the first year, you have $1,100. In the second year, you're not just earning 10% on your original $1,000, you're earning it on $1,100. That extra $100 you made last year is now also working for you. Fast forward 20 years. That same $1,000 can grow to over $6,700. And you didn't even add a single extra dollar. Now, here's where the real magic happens. If you keep adding a little bit regularly, for example, investing $100 every month at an average 10% return can turn into more than $200,000 in 30 years. That's not winning the lottery. That's just being consistent and letting time do the heavy lifting for you. This works with stocks, ETFs, even a high-interest savings account, although savings accounts grow slower. The key isn't finding the perfect investment. The real key is starting as early as possible and not interrupting the process. The longer your money stays invested, the stronger compounding becomes, like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and faster with every turn. Most people underestimate what they can do in 10 years and overestimate what they can do in 1 year. Compounding flips that thinking, because the real results don't show up right away, but when they do, they're massive. So whether you're 18 or 28, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. Your $1,000 today could be worth thousands tomorrow if you let compounding work for you. In my next video, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly investments that benefit the most from compounding, so you can start building your wealth today